So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito ilalabas po natin ang atin pong current na power ranking ng mga teams according of course sa kanila pong chances of winning the championship kabola. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Of course, hindi na po natin sinama ang Converge at Blackwater Elite kasi nga po, wala na po silang chance kabola na makapasok po sa playoffs. And alam naman natin na baka malungkot po yung ibang fans dyan ng Converge, pero of course, makikita nyo kabola, it will be worth it. So ito na nga po yung ranking natin. Number 10 natin, Terra Firma. Of course, may 2 wins sila, pero almost goods na rin po sila kabola na hindi po sila makakapasok sa playoffs. Alam naman natin ano pong role talaga nila sa PBA. Number 9 will be Northport Batangpier. Of course, they are currently in the middle of the ranking or the standings kabola, but I cannot put them higher. Bakit? Of course, kasi alam din naman natin kung ano po talaga yung role nila sa PBA kabola. Pero of course, we want to give respect to Coach Bonitan who is coaching very well kabola. And of course, din na rin siguro sa management for finding their import who is doing well. And Arvin Tolentino, of course, who could end up as the top scorer of this tournament. All of them deserves our respect. Number 8 natin, Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. Although they are currently one of the hottest teams in the league at humahabol nga po sila dito sa playoffs kabola, I still think na hindi po sapat yung kanila pong experience. They are relying a lot on young players and I think the import currently, yung level po ng talent niya is hindi po nasa level kabola na kakayanin nilang bumigla in this tournament. Number 7 natin, NLEX Road Warriors kabola. Medyo delikado pa rin po sila kabola, walang kasiguraduhan kung makakapasok sila sa playoffs, pero pag nakapasok to, mayroong chance to kabola. Of course, number 1 reason dyan is yung pagkakakuha nga nila kay Bolik. With Bolik at the helm kabola, they have that scorer that can carry them, and yung kanilang mga import is serviceable naman kahit papano, and they do have that front line na pwedeng sumabay po sa malaking front line po na makikita nila sa playoffs. Number 6 natin, TNT. It's hard now to trust TNT into a top 5 position kabola kasi nga po si Ronday Hollis Jefferson is hindi na rin po available. Without him, without Mikey, without RR Pugoy, it is illogical for me to believe that they are a real threat in this tournament. Number 5 natin, Phoenix, currently the number 2 team. I cannot put them in the top 4 yet kabola. Unang-una, kulang na kulang sila sa experience kabola, diba? Hindi pa sila nakatapak. I think they do not have a player na nakatapak po sa finals kabola, and with all the other things pa po na kailanganin nila, and even just the talent level kabola, of course they are winning because they're playing a great scheme of basketball, pero I do not think it's that enough for them to surprise us in this tournament. Number 4 natin, San Miguel Beermen. It's hard to bet to San Miguel pag wala po silang Pajardo, pero at the very least, ayun na po, pabalik na po ang isang Terence Romeo. Kung healthy siya sa playoffs, they will have that scorer that they need kabola, and then kakakuha lang nila kay Trollano to pump up their talent level. So overall, number 4 is sapat lang po para sa kanila. Number 3 natin, Meralco Bolts kabola. They are undersized, knowing na yung import nga nila is wingman, pero the reason din kaya sila nandito sa number 3 is their import, kasi they now have that import kabola that can get hot and win them games, especially in the playoffs kabola. So with that import, with a reliable local scorers, then of course Bates is there to give minutes against the Giants kabola. So overall, number 3 para sa akin is perfect for Meralco. Number 2 natin is Magnolia, currently the number 1 team in the league. Tyler Bay is a monster of import, currently averaging 28.1 points, 56% shooting in the field, 13.9 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 2.2 steals per game, 1.1 blocks per game. This guy is a monster. Their defense is a monster. Their offense is very good kabola. They have a chance to get this, pero I still cannot believe or cannot have that confidence to put them number 1 over Ginebra. So Ginebra pa rin yung number 1 natin. With the return of Scotty Thompson, medyo na makikita na natin yung anong pwede natin makita or ma-expect po sa team na ito during the playoffs. And I think they are still the best bet to win the championship, knowing nga po kung gaano kagaling si Coach Tim Cohen sa playoffs, knowing that their talent level is better now that Ahan Misi is there. And I think he will be a good addition there, dahil na't wala na po si Brownlee. Kabakabal sa palagay mo, sino ang mag-champion? Comment lang po sa baba.